Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
ये रक्षा पहले जा किचन में।
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Open your cameras quickly. Quickly open your cameras.
Morning, ma'am.
Open your cameras, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Open your cameras quickly. Open it. Yes, today we are going new chapter, right? No, sorry, no, word problems are also there. Sorry. Word problems are left. Take out maths book page number 40. Take out maths book page number 40. 4040.
Ma'am.
तो हो चुके।
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in last period today we will do reasoning.
I will tell you in that period. Okay, today we have the period of reasoning, then we will do it. Now take out page 40 in your maths books. Take out maths book page number 40. Maths book page 40.
Ma'am, 40 or 14?
बेटा 4 वशिष्ठ you don't know कि हम कहाँ पढ़ते कौन सी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम कर रहे थे 40 वाली या 14 वाली हाँ 40 वाली कर रहे थे 40
I'm not telling 40.
Keep your mic off Vashish now unnecessarily you speak page number 4040 okay which we have done wait a minute let me check what we have done last time
इसको एक करो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ना
BT Rupira. Okay, let me check what we have done last time. Number of roses florists have. Now we have to start from question number 9. Question number 9. Okay. Open your maths book, page number 41. 4141. Take out page number 4141. Not this one. Take out page number 4141. Take out page number 4141.
लिखा 41
Take out
Question
page
number
number
9 लिखा
4141. Page number 4141, everyone.
मानो ना दिमाग सही जगह पे काम लड़के नहीं कर रहा है इधर देख क्या करते हैं तो मैम बैठती है ना पढ़ाने तो फटाफट जो चीज मैम बोल रही है उसको नोट करते हैं
Take it out. Okay.
डेट कौन सी है
Kana, switch off your mic. And yes, now look here. Maths book page number 41. Okay. Now let me ask. Araf Tiwari, better read the question number 9.
Okay, ma'am. There are 4,253 children in one school and 2,499 children in other schools. How many children are there in the two
Two
All
schools
together.
all together. Okay, there are two schools. Okay, just wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a second. अभी मैं explain कर रही हूँ.
अबे कप लिया ना बेकार सा.
Beta, who is this? Your mic is on. Huh? Whatever is going in your home at your home, it's everyone can easily hear you. So please switch off your mics. Make sure your mics is off. Okay. So what happened? There are two schools. There is one school. In one school, there are 4,000 children, and there is another school. In another school, there are 2,499 children. So how many children are there in school? All together in both the schools together. This is one school. This is one school. And in this school, one school is this one. And it is having how many children? Let us think 4,000 children. There is another school. This is another school. In another school, there are 2,000 children. 2,000 children in another school. Now you have to tell all together means साथ में. All together means साथ में. So how many children are there in two schools all together? साथ में कितने children होंगे? Tell me. Look here and tell me. Look here on the board. Look here on the board. How many children will be there? Huh?
6,000.
6,000. How will you calculate it, beta? How will you calculate it? How is it 6,000? Yes.
Ma'am, there are all 0, 0, 0 will be same, and we have to calculate the first digits.
Okay, that is
Four
okay,
plus
but
two.
how have you done it? अगर first digit ये नहीं होता, कुछ और numbers होते, तो क्या करोगे इसमें? What will you do in
Ma'am, we
this
will
question?
calculate them.
Calculate तो obviously सब maths के questions है तो calculation ही करोगे बेटा, कुछ और नहीं करोगे. Maths के questions में भी calculate. What way operation will you perform here? कौन
Plus,
सा operation?
plus.
We will add the number of children in one school to the number of children in another school. We'll add the number of children in one school to the number of children in another school. Number of children in one school, number of children in another school. Okay? Start doing it yourself in your maths notebooks. Take out your maths fair notebook and start doing it yourself. Abhi karo. Maths fair notebook. Same page you can continue because it is the same exercise, so you can write it on the same page. Okay, write question 9. Write question 9. There are put dot in between, and altogether will be the last word. Okay, now tell me what will be the first statement. Tell me what will be the first statement. Who want to tell? Raise your hands on your videos. Raise your hands on your videos. Who can tell? Okay, Gargi.
Ma'am, children in first school.
Children in one school. Very good. Children in one school. और first school भी आप लिख सकते हो. Children in first school. Second, Shazan, you tell the second statement. Children in one school. Children in another school. Children in another school. And there are total children in both. Just do it yourself and write it. So there are dash children in both schools.
Ma'am, please write.
Wait a minute. All together. Start doing it. And send me your answer. I want to see how you have done it. Jaldi se do it and send it to me on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, we can write so the total are. Can
Total?
I write it?
You can write
So
total.
yes,
What you can
ma'am.
total?
Total children are. Then
R
we
नहीं
will
लिखते हैं
see
बेटा.
that.
Equal to का meaning ही R हो जाता है. R नहीं लिखते कभी भी.
Ma'am, what is lattice statement?
So there are dash children in both schools altogether.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? Done everyone?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am, please wait 2 minutes.
Ma'am.
नहीं बेटा. हाँ.
Ma'am, I am saying that like so statement is coming in 2 lines. So we have to leave a line or not?
Don't leave line. No.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, everyone? I got
Yes,
some
ma'am.
answers, I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait 2 minutes.
अविका बेटा नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जो शुरू होगा ना सब्ट्रैक्शन, वो मुझे इस कॉपी में नहीं चाहिए. I don't want to see in this notebook. This is not your maths notebook. This was your previous second. You are not a small child now. You have to do this in Hindi line notebook, Abika.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Saksham,
said to
correct.
my mother that when the new chapter will come, please give me Hindi learning copy.
Vayun, your answer is wrong, beta. Your calculation is wrong. Vayun, your calculation is wrong. Kanha, correct. Gargi, correct. Shazan, beta, kyun? Why are you leaving line in between Shazan, and who will write this line and this line? Shazan, who will write this line and this line? What happened to you? आप तो ठीक कर रहे थे. Karthik Sharma, what you are doing? Sit straight. Done? Everyone?
Ma'am, please check my Samar Dikyani.
Yes, I'm checking. Wait a minute. Samar, correct. Ayushi, correct. Very good. Tejas, correct. Siddhant, correct. Arhan, correct.
Ma'am, we have to post this work also in the WhatsApp group.
Yes, obviously, I'm waiting for that, beta. Aryan, correct. Aryan, I think your answer is coming wrong, beta. 9, 5, 14 plus 1, 15. 6, 7, 5, 2 is coming. Yes, Arav Bhatnagar, correct. Oh my god, today Raghav sent me the answer. Very good, Raghav. Okay, very nice, Priya.
My answer is correct.
Raghav, who will write? Raghav, बेटा ये digits कितने गंदे लिखे हैं, इसे neat and clean करो, Raghav. Write it, the last statement also. Okay, Anvi, very good. Do it quickly, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
I got one more answer from Arav Tiwari. Okay, Arav Tiwari, very nice. Okay, let's start the next question now. I think enough time I've given to you, but some of you have not sent me. Shazin, I hope you corrected it. Samar Tikiani, keep it aside. What are you doing? Arav Tiwari, open your camera. Samar Jaiswal, Riya, Vashish, Raghav, Gaurav, Karthik Sharma, Avika, Jasleen. And I did not
Ma'am,
receive
please
the
take
answers
my
from
work.
Samarth Jaiswal. I did not receive these answers, beta. Where are your
Ma'am,
answers?
please see my work. Ma'am, wait.
Don't speak in between like please see my work. Okay? I will see myself. Karthik Sharma, Kavyansh, Jasleen, मेरे पास आपका आंसर नहीं आया है. Where is your answer? Avika sent. अच्छा. Shreya, where is your answer? Ayushi's answer I got. Shreya का नहीं मिला है मुझे.
Ma'am, Aisha is doing now. Ma'am, we are
Ma'am,
sending.
I have sent.
आयुषी ने तो भेजा था बेटा. अच्छा पुराना वाला भेजा था. ओके. कार्तिक शर्मा ओके. गौरव आपने आंसर ये बेटा गौरव आधा आधे आधे आंसर्स मैं लिखूंगी आपके ये है गौरव आधे मेरे लिए छोड़ दिए बीच में स्टेटमेंट्स की मैं फिल कर दूं आपकी स्टेटमेंट 0 मिलेगा बेटा राघव ऐसे राघव नहीं सॉरी गौरव गौरव 0 मिलेगा बेटा अगर ऐसे किया तो हु इज दिस वन इज करेक्ट वशिष्ठ करेक्ट है चलो लेट अस स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ओके प्रिया रीड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the next question is a computer cost is rupees 9,030. A printer cost is 3,050 and a scanner cost is 2,034.
Okay, now see
Fine.
here. Okay, wait, beta, wait. How many things are here? How many things are here? 3 types of things are here. What are they? Can you tell me what are they? Any one of you can tell me what are they?
Ma'am, there is a computer, printer
There
and
is a
scanner.
computer. So let me make a computer here. This is a computer. Okay, this is a computer. What is the cost of this computer? What is the cost of this computer?
Ma'am,
9,030.
9,030 rupees 9,030. Okay, I'm writing here rupees 9,030. Then what is here? A printer.
Ma'am, a printer.
This is a printer. A printer it is there. The cost of a printer is how much?
Ma'am, 350.
300 नहीं है बेटा 3,000 है 3,050. Okay, and a scanner is there. And a scanner is there. What is the cost of a scanner?
Ma'am, 2,034.
2034. Now, first question. See, you have 1, 2, 3 things. If you read the question A क्या दे रखा है? I'm writing the question A. How much will a computer and scanner cost? अब आपसे पूछा है कंप्यूटर और स्कैनर की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ अ स्कैनर सो कंप्यूटर की कॉस्ट आपको ऐड करनी पड़ेगी कॉस्ट ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर यू हैव टू ऐड विद द कॉस्ट ऑफ कंप्यूटर यू हैव टू ऐड टू द कॉस्ट ऑफ स्कैनर इन फर्स्ट पार्ट कंप्यूटर है 9,030 का स्कैनर है 2,034 का वी विल ऐड देम टुगेदर एंड वी विल गेट द आंसर Second question is how much will all three cost? So what we will do, we will write cost of computer, cost of printer, cost of scanner, and we will add them all three of them. Okay, next is how much will a computer and a printer cost? Computer and a printer cost. So we write cost of a computer, cost of a printer. Okay, understood? Anybody has any doubt? Anybody has doubt?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, now let us
Ma'am, we have to do it in another.
बेटा फर्स्ट लेट
In
मी
what?
स्टार्ट इतनी जल्दी किस बात की है ओके नाउ लुक हियर वेट अ मिनट okay now look here Take out your Mathsware notebook. You can continue from the same page. Okay, take out your Mathsware notebook. Continue from the same page. Okay, now write question A here. Write question A. Question 10. Sorry, question number 10. Question 10. Write a computer. Put dot 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 in between. Put dot 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 in between and write find. F-I-N-D. Find. Okay, start doing this one, everyone. So A part is, what is the A part? What is the total cost of computer and scanner? पूछा गया हमसे computer and scanner की cost. Computer and scanner. इसकी पूछी है ना? So what we will do in first part, A part, computer scanner. So you will write cost of a computer, cost of a computer, and in next line you will write cost of scanner. And total cost of two. Do it yourself. Try it yourself, everyone. First question, first A part. A part करोगे, फिर B part भी करोगे और फिर उसके बाद आंसर सेंड करोगे. Raghav, stop it. Write rupees sign also. So cost of printer and scanner is rupees. Make rupees sign yourself. I do not have a rupees sign, so make it yourself. Okay, and same with the B part. इसके बाद you will draw the line, ending line like this, and then you will start question number B. Question number B. What you have to find? Cost of all three. All three. किसकी cost निकालनी है? All three. सबकी निकालनी है. So again you will write cost of a computer, cost of a scanner. Same way you will write cost of, wait. Yes.
Ma'am,
Huh.
ma'am, you have written the so the cost of a printer.
Oh,
and
sorry, beta. Write cost of a computer and a scanner. Okay, by mistake. Cost of printer. Put an equal to sign here. Put total cost of 3. Here you change it. It will be, so the cost of printer and scanner nahi hoga, it will be computer and scanner. Okay, here you will write, so the cost of the beta rupees sign zarur put karna. Of all three is rupees ka sign your down karna is dash. Write down the answer here. Do it quickly and send it on WhatsApp. And there are so many students, those who are not sending me the answers on WhatsApp. Don't think I don't remember your names. I know each and every name, those who are not sending me the answers.
And we have to write B1 also.
What? Sab
And we have
karne
to write
hain.
B1 also.
Obviously, yes. Yes. Wait a minute. 4, 8.
But ma'am, I am doing question 10.
Just Vashish, don't speak unnecessary.
Ma'am, this is a homework.
Join at 11. Not homework. Kabhi karo ise.
Ma'am, can I write the cost of the computer, scanner, and the printer?
Vashisht, I think you speak a lot instead of thinking. Eh? Just do it and send your answers to me on the WhatsApp group. Okay, Jasleen, beta lines leave nahi karte hain. Why are you leaving lines in between, Jasleen? I don't know why you are leaving lines in between, Jasleen. Again and again, I'm telling do not leave lines in between. Shreya, stop playing. Stop playing, Shreya. Have you done the work? समर्थ करेक्ट किया आपने अभी भी गलत किया है शाज़ेन इट इज रॉन्ग अगेन बेटा लास्ट वाली लाइन नहीं लिखी है सो स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखी है शाज़ेन एंड आयुषी एंड श्रेया डू योर वर्क यू प्ले अ लॉट बेटा डू इट क्विकली I want to see everybody doing the work. Where is Angel? Is she roaming here and there?
Oh, ma'am, I was doing my work.
But I can't see you on your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Your camera is on, but you are not. You were not present in the on the camera. Now you are visible. Anvi, show me your face. What you people are doing, I want to see that. Are you sitting idle or are you doing the work? Do it quickly and send it. Okay, I got one more answer. Computer. बेटा कंप्यूटर किसने करा ये फर्स्ट वाला रॉन्ग है कौन है ये Who is this वशिष्ठ why don't you see बेटा आपको दिखाई क्यों नहीं दे रहा है सब कुछ तो लिखा हुआ है ए पार्ट में it is computer and a scanner and you have written the printer also huh what is this वशिष्ठ wrong है ये this is the B part You always speak, but you don't think, you don't pay attention what teacher is teaching you.
Ma'am, we have to do the C and D part also.
Yes. Beta C part abhi nahi karna. C part and D part we'll do tomorrow because time is less. We'll do A and B part. Abhi A और B part करके भेजो. Okay, Vayun? And beta Vayun, you also be careful while doing the sum solving. Do it quickly. Jaldi se do it. Quick.
Ma'am, I done my work.
Okay, now I got Kanha's work. I got Kanha. Very good, Kanha. But बेटा आपने rupees sign नहीं लगाया बेटा. Kanha, write the rupees sign also. Cost of computer, cost of rupees sign is very important. In both of them, write the rupees sign. Otherwise, it is correct. Avika, आपने भी rupees sign नहीं लगाया है. When you are writing the cost of anything, you should write the rupees sign.
Okay, ma'am.
Saksham, you also write the rupees sign. Nobody is using the rupees sign. Do I have to tell you every time? Who is this? This is correct. Who is this? Done correct, but rupees sign nahi lagaya hai. Angel. Who will write down the rupees sign? Angel.